Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Stella, and yes, it is another video. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing my 10-inch ring light I bought online. And yes, so that's about it. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll be glad to interact with you. Now let's get right into the video.
Yeah. K to the E to the K. Nah, nah, nah. K. But see me see every time I want to do. Promise in the time when you got it. Yeah. She was see my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me, yeah. That's what me say. She wants to wonder, want get high grade. From a distance, baby, I'm going insane. Red Cross, baby, come to my aid. Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city, cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me, that's what me say. She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me I own, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, thing I got it all, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the towel. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on. Oh, she my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants to wind her. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She wants to wind her. She on me, that's what me say.
Okay guys, so this is the ring light. This is how it came. This is how big or small it is. It can fit my face perfectly. This is the 10-inch ring light that I got online from Jumia just a few days ago. It's their anniversary and they had discount, so I decided to get myself a 10-inch ring light. And this is how it came. It has this remote to control the lights, and then it has a USB port, so you can connect it to your phone's charger if you have one. You can connect it to any USB adapter, and then it's going to work perfectly for you. So this is it. The remote is connected to the cord. This is how it came. I'm not so sure about this part. You can see like the wires are kind of sticking out already, but they are working perfectly, and I'll see if there's anything I can do about that. So this is how it came, and it came with a phone holder, and then this to connect the ring light to the tripod, and then this other phone holder, so two phone holders, and then a ball head for the tripod, and then the ring light itself. So it also came with a tripod. This is the tripod that it came with. I already tried to connect it, and the tripod is quite nice, but it's not as strong as the tripod I already have. It's not that strong. I think my tripod is stronger than it. So I'm going to set up the ring light for you guys to see, and then let's get it.
She a number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me I wanna take you home,
You can see it's not that strong. My other tripod is stronger than this one actually. And yesterday, this side, the whole of this side came off. Like just after I took it out of the box, the whole of this leg came off. I had to fix it myself. So if you are going to get a ring light with a tripod, make sure you are getting a proper tripod with it. So this is the tripod it came with. I'm going to set it up behind me over here. So quick, you never see her coming. She had me heaven. Now so me say, see my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be mad in my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me heaven. Now so me say. So I'm going to connect this to a USB adapter that I use for my phone and then turn this ring light on. Now this ring light has 3 light modes, and each light mode has 10 levels that you can tune it to. So I'm going to turn it on with the remote. So you see the ring light is on. This is it. It's on. I told you guys the tripod is not strong. Look at this. One leg is coming off, and I really don't know what to do with this one. So I'm going to attach the phone holder that it came with, and then we'll see how we're going to use this. Okay guys, so I just mounted my phone on the ring light, and this is a video without the ring light. I'm going to turn it on and then we'll see the difference between when I use the ring light and when I don't use the ring light. So this is a before video. Okay, I'm turning it on. So this is when the ring light is on. I think it's at the highest it can be. So this is when the ring light is on, and then I'm going to reduce the brightness for it. So I'm reducing the brightness. This is the lowest that it gets, and then all the way up. This is the highest, and then you can also change the mode to this warm light. This is the highest, and then this is as low as it gets. This is the lowest, and then this is the highest. So you see the difference. And this is the third, the blue light. I love this. I actually love this. It looks good. So this is the highest, and then you can go all the way down to reduce it. Okay, so there we go, all the way up. So guys, this is the ring light on. This when it's off, on, off. Come back on. Okay, so this is the difference. You see, you clearly see the difference when there's a ring light and when there's no ring light. Like, I'm actually convincing you to invest in a ring light, a good one actually. This was not expensive at all. It was 169 Ghana cedis. I don't know how much that is in dollars or whatever, but it was 169 Ghana cedis, and I got it on Jumia Ghana. They were having their anniversary, so I got the ring light and then a clip-on microphone. I've tried it. I'm not really seeing much difference with the microphone and then when I don't use the microphone. But this is the clip-on microphone that I got, and then this is memory card I got from Jumia as well. They all came in one package, and it was quite affordable. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm loving this light. You guys get ready for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Share this video with your loved ones. Anyone who is looking to get a good ring light, any YouTuber out there that you think needs a ring light, share this video with them. Let them know they need a ring light. Okay, I never knew I needed a ring light this much until I got it now, and it looks so good. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click on the like button, turn on your post notifications. Please subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your post notifications. Let's get to 500 subscribers, okay? And I'm looking at doing a giveaway when we get to 1,000 subscribers, so please turn on your post notifications and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.